How to start a Sephora return. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. The return policy of Sephora is if you are not completely satisfied with a Sephora purchase or gift for any reason, Sephora welcomes you to return, and you must have a proof of purchase, which is your receipt, and please review return, refund, and exchange policies below for purchases made, and also beauty insider points and spend associate will be all refunded and will be removed when the transaction is processed. All returns are subject to validation and approval at Sephora's discretion, and also if a return is not approved by Sephora, the item may not be returned to you as well. So you can simply go to the store and return the product with the receipt, or you can also contact them directly through call. And this is how to start a Sephora return. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.